Hey, red bird, are you really a red bird? Or is that who I think it is, sitting on a limb checking up on me? I hope that you're okay, and damn it, I miss you. This big world seems so small since you've had to leave. I hope that you're healed now, with a fresh set of fast wings. If it's really you, could you help me through? 'Cause I can't see. Hey there, red bird, I'm so blue. I've lost my north, I've lost direction, I lost you. And the ways of the world have a way of keeping you down. So I long for the day that I say that I saw you around.